Hey everyone, welcome to your Watch Me First for week 14. This Watch Me First is going to be right on the top here. This week you have 3 quizzes, which is your chapter 10 quiz, chapter 11 and chapter 12 quiz. The material in those chapters can be very dense, and so I decided to do what are notes instead of PowerPoints to give you guys some pictures and other things, and along with that I have videos. So chapter 10 is about your hypothesis testing again, and then how it applies to the sample, to the population. Chapter 11 is on ANOVA, and then chapter 12 is on your post hoc. So those are the 3 things. The questions, there are only 10 questions. Time limit is 2 hours, true and false. And then again, chapter 11 is 10 and 12 is 10. No, this is quite a lot, and hence you also have extra time. These are not due by Sunday 11:59 p.m. Rather, you have 3 extra days, and it is actually due by December the 6th 11:59 p.m. So you have a whole Monday, Tuesday and a Wednesday to work on this stuff. Most of the questions in this are application based questions, so you should strongly recommend keep your notes with you as you are attempting the quiz. The notes are not heavy, and then I do go through and explain every aspects of it. Degrees of freedom is important to know. What are degrees of freedom when you talk about in your chapter 11. So that's a hint. So this is where the notes come from for chapter 10. And let me go and look at chapter 11. So degrees of freedom for independent variable, independent sample t-test, dependent sample t-test, those are important for you guys to know this degrees of freedom as to how you happen and everything else. And I do go over it. But if you need any more information, let me know. And I would be happy to provide. Okay, that is all that you have for your week 14. We are nearly at the end, guys. This is amazing. So this week, extended due date to Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. Your chapter 10, 11 and 12 quiz. And the reason that this is there is it is going to set you up for what kind of statistics you want to do. You just talked about between 2 samples right now. So ANOVA extended to 3 samples or more than 3 samples. And where does postdoc comes from? That is what the goal is, to give you a full picture of the analysis. All right. So best of luck, guys.